Uranium friends, let's talk about UUUU. Some questions on the boxes, and I said I would do some sort of update video on, the strategy. So here it is again, right? These boxes. Now, the reason why these boxes are where they are here is because I had to take in account the action all the way over here for the life of the stock. So support, 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 right? Resistance, 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 resistance. So the boxes make sense. I'm not going to go over it crazy. You can go to previous videos, but here we are in the box now. So the question was, hey, do you just buy in the box and you sell in the upper box? Well, maybe, right? So, and my answer was, I start to pay attention. So I used no, I didn't follow any moving average metrics. I didn't do my normal Fibonacci retracements. I literally just stayed away from the 4Us up until it started coming down into here. So there were signals here, right? And I said I was just, and people started asking me like when it was up here. I go, "You looking?" I guess, "No, I want to try to get it at the low end of the box because that becomes more and more of a low risk entry, right?" So that's the way it played out. Now there's signals here as to why it was time to enter. So if we were looking at the weekly here, double bottom at the lower end of the box, good sign, right? Um, the daily, and this was one heck of a little stop hunt, right? So on this daily chart, let me just kind of get it up out of it so it's not as noisy, right? So I started looking, once it gets in the box again, I pay attention, right? So then I'm starting to watch this action. I can't even remember. I'd have to go look, but I did. I posted it too. I said I'm grabbing some $5 calls, and it's exactly what I did. I think I did it before this shakeout candle. So yeah, I think I suffered a little bit of this drawdown here because this was a nasty little. I had some progress here. It was nasty because it took out that low too. So, but now it's off to the races. I did some trimming. I cut half my position up here, right? So, and it came to the top of this lower box. So it's to me it makes sense to do that. It's running a little RSI too. So that was the deal. Now the rest, I'm just going to let them ride. So I'm deep in the money. I'm fully risk free on that position because I cut half into a double. So whatever happens, happens at this point. I can't lose on the trade. That's the way I like it to play. Now, this is all one move, in my opinion. Well, you did have this. I guess this is a pivot, but it made a lower low. So this is how I'm viewing it right now from here. I'm taking it from here. This is one move, right? So the daily, in my opinion, is going to need to do some sort of find a pivot here, and hopefully it's going to be right here at this 12 EMA, right? So we hope that I personally hope that this moving average stack on its way up now that has reconciled with itself, right? So and if you listen to anything I do or say, especially with commodities, I like when the moving averages start to stack up again, and they'll act as support or resistance. So now we've got this support. So maybe we get that daily high or low somewhere around here to confirm this trend change because it hasn't been confirmed yet. It's all one move. We need the daily pivot. So just another reason why, in my opinion, I trimmed out partial on position. I will be reloading the 4Us into whatever pivot occurs here. And then I'm riding, right? I'm going to try to ride this, and I'm going to ride into the next box. That's the plan, and then I'm going to see what happens there. But at the end of the day, with UUU, this is the story. It gets over the top of this box, this level, this 11 whatever. It's going to be November 21 high, right? So 11 something, whatever the hell it was. There's a change in behavior in the name if it gets over that 2021 high. If it gets down below these lows, the 44, what is it, 440 probably, right? Say 440 is a change in behavior on the bearish end. So it pays to pay attention. Stocks don't have memories. They have like what does it say? They might not repeat, they rhyme. This is where the price was. I mean, we had signals fundamentally too, right? Started to see insider buying happening here, right? All in this area. What was the signals? So, the fundamentals and the technicals lined up as far as that's concerned because you had that double bottom. This was a hell of a shakeout, I will say. I didn't get caught in it, but I could see how many would. But regardless of that, now I'm looking for a daily higher low, and anything above these levels, all the way back down here at 5, is as long as it holds that level, it's going to end up being a daily higher low. And that's, in my opinion, for me, it's a pivot that I am looking to buy for sure because I know it's all low risk now. We've established levels. So that's it on UUU. That is my update. Hoping that it clears up the box thing. And I will tell you, I'm going to try to pick a random ticker here. Let's see, something with price history. Let's see what Adobe looks like. If we can pull something off of boxes there. No, you know what? Also, let me just see something. Let's see if Denison has boxes. Yeah. So look, we could technically try to do this with Denison right now if we wanted to. So where are you can just by looking at this chart, I can already see it, right? So I can already see that this is a level of importance. This box right here, okay, kind of covers all of that. A lot of action in this area, right? So, you know, um, and it starts to make sense, right? So he can do this within the equity, and this may very well help people to be a little bit more patient. The uranium trade, in my opinion, is a 10-year trade, and I considered it a 10-year trade around 2021. There's nothing that says that Denison's not going to come down to test the bottom of this box again. But if you know that, we got the volume profiles too to support that. If you know that, maybe you're not FOMOing. I don't know, but you can start to look at charts in this way, just the way I did with UUU, and I never looked at it again until it was coming in the box, and it came out to be a successful trade. It may work out better, it may just go breaking even. I don't know, but that's the deal. All right, so you can take this stuff along to any equity, and you'd be surprised how well it works. Over and out.